Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to convert raw text or text file into PDF file using a library called as FPDF in Python. So FPDF is a library. If you search on Google FPDF, this is a Python generating library. This is the official website of it. So basically it's a PHP class, but we will be using it in Python. That how to do this. So for Python they have their own dependency. So just go to the command prompt and install this dependency, which is pip install fpdf. So just enter it and it will install this dependency inside your Python project. I have already done that, so I will not do it. So you can see requirement already satisfied. So you just need to execute this command, and for the whole source code of this tutorial, the link is there inside the video description of my blog post. Step by step instruction is given. So for downloading all the source code, just go to my blog here, which is given in the video description. And now you can just open any sort of text editor. I am using Visual Studio Code text editor. So just make a app.py file here like this. So just make this app.py file. This is stands for Python, and I'm assuming that you have already have Python installed on your computer. So you can see, if you go to my blog post, first of all I will show you how to convert raw text. So simply you will copy this program here, copy this program and paste it here. So I will just summarize you what is happening here. First of all, we are importing the library from FPDF. We are importing this library FPDF, and then we are instantiating a new instance of this FPDF library and storing it inside PDF variable. And after that, we are adding a new blank page by using this method add underscore page. Then we are setting the font here. You can see Arial. You can change the font accordingly. You can also change the size as well. Then we are adding a cell here at x coordinate 200 and y coordinate 10. And then we are adding this text here. You can just change this text to coding Shiksha is a YouTube channel like this. And then you can provide these additional parameters. And also you can add another cell, that is my name is Gautam, like this. And this is the output file name that you want to give to the file here. So you can just change the output file name to output file PDF like this. And now you can execute this application by python app.py. So if you run this, you will see in the left hand side it will create this file here. Let me just see. This will create this output file.pdf. You can see it has created this file. If you open this file, you will see it will contain one page and the text will be written like this. You can see Coding Shiksha's YouTube channel and my name is Gautam. And you can even add a additional page as well. So by again using pdf dot add underscore page. So if you add this page, so it will start a add a blank page to your file once again. So now it will contain two pages. So once again, if I run this and open your file here, output file PDF, and now you will see it will contain two pages. This is the first page, and this is the last page, the second page, which is a blank page here. You can see. So we have seen that how to add text, how to set font inside your PDF document, and you can even manipulate the size of the font as well. Like this, if I change this to 50, you will see now the size of the text will be increased here. Now if I show you the output file, you will see the size is increased here. So you can just manipulate the size here accordingly. And now I will show you how you can just convert the text which is written inside this file.txt. You can see this is some text written here inside file.txt. So just create inside your root directory file.txt. Now we will be converting this file to a PDF file. So the example is given here. So just if you just drag down here, you will see this example. Simply you need to again copy this code here and simply paste this snippet of code here. So again we are using the same things. We are importing the library, adding a new page, and here we are opening a file here which is called as file.txt in the read mode. In Python we are using the built-in open method, and then we are just creating this pdf.cell. We are instantiating it to 200 x coordinate and y coordinate, and then we are just putting the content which is there. So you can just put the output file name as again output file PDF. So once again, if you just execute this, this will run here, and again it will create this file, output file PDF. And now you will see it will extract all the contents which are present inside file.txt. You can see it has extracted all these contents and put this inside the PDF format. So in this way you can convert any sort of text file which is uh, there here. So you can add as many pages inside your PDF document with the help of this FPDF library. This is a very awesome library for generating PDF documents. So in this basic video, I just wanted to show you in how to do this in Python. You can read the documentation which is available on their official website to make advanced applications using this library. And for the source code, you can go to my blog here, which is given in the video description. Download all the source code. And please guys, just visit my free media tools website. This is an online tool website which I developed in Node.js and Express, and this is a live website which contains 150 tools here related to audio, video and text. So please check out this website and share the website with your friends, and also join the Facebook group as well. So I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, thank you very much.